Piny owacho koro osego ndamo e lweny mathiro apedha ne le mag bunge. Mano en kaluwore gi jataa tije maduol mar KWS Erastus Kanga. Kata kamano, Kanga opwoyo bad migawo mar doho kod mano mar arita e lweny makamano. Kanowuoyo e nyasi mane obagi gi jotelo mag kar rito le mag bunge ma Olpejeta, nyasi mane olos Nairobi, Kanga nopwoyo kar rito le no kuom tich maber.
I can tell you proudly that we are winning the war against poaching in this country. Number one is that over the last 2 years, we have not experienced any poaching of a rhino. And that is a big achievement, and particularly to my rangers and my officers out there in the field, we celebrate them because they are owning the night, they are keeping vigil, and we have kept on the poachers, particularly on the part of the rhinos. And the way we can even be able to measure this, I can confidently tell you our elephant numbers have increased clearly from 1989, 1990, 16,000. Now we are boasting of close to about 38,000 elephants in this country.